ways to make money online for free with affiliate marketing.
All right, welcome to my website. Welcome to my page. At this point in time, welcome to my funnel. I would really like to talk about the tools that you need as far as making funnels, websites, whatever. And the first one I'm gonna tell you about is called the Conversion Pros. The Conversion Pros, it's $50 a month, and it basically does everything that you need it to do. It's all in one. Has its own autoresponder, unlimited autoresponder. It does so much that, like I say, click on the link below and check out the website so you too can have access. And you know, they also have an affiliate program that you should check out if you're interested in getting paid. And they do a 50% commission on their affiliate program. Now, how are you doing today? Welcome to my page. Next, today I'm going to tell you about the ClickFunnels tool platform. It's one of the tools that I use. Well, I know that some of the best marketers, affiliate marketers, e-marketers, and whatnot use ClickFunnels. So if you're interested in subscribing to use the platform, the ClickFunnels platform, and maybe even become an affiliate of that, it's the link is down below. Click on the link and go from there. Now, the next tool and platform that I use is Builderall. Builderall has one of the best commissions because it has like a two-tier commission system. So just look at it like, well, I'm gonna let you click on the website. I'd rather not. I feel like getting you to the point where you see 100% of the information is always better than me telling you something and I miss out on some information. So the Builderall, it's been updated. It's now at the 3.0 version of the Builderall system. So check it out. It pretty much does funnels for you. It pretty much is like everything on there. It does a lot for you. I don't want to go into a lot of details. Like I say, click on the link down below and see if the Builderall platform is something that you'd be interested in, and we'll see you at the top. Now, the next opportunity that I'm going to present to you today is the Earn Easy Commissions, but they recently revamped it to My Online Business Startup. So if you're interested in that, it's a free business that you can start, and it's basically a CPA program. So look into it, look into the training. They have an awesome training, awesome free training that teaches you how to do YouTube advertising, Instagram, Twitter, just a whole bunch of training that, it's all good for someone who's interested in starting from jump. So if you're starting from, like I say, from square one, this is a good training. Check it out. Okay. If you're interested in e-commerce, the one of the number one platforms that people use is Shopify. And Shopify is like an integration software to where you integrate with wholesale companies and manufacturers and, advertise online and sell and make money. It's one of the best integration platforms that they are, but it's not the only one. And I think it's like $30 a month or something like that if you're interested starting out. But they also have like a free 14-day trial, and you can pretty much go from there. And they do, if you're interested in being an affiliate with Shopify, click down below because it's one of the ways to get paid. And you can get paid by acquiring different partners into your business, to your Shopify business, and basically teaching them how to, um, you know, make money with e-commerce. And if you're interested, check out the description down below. If you're interested in saving money just from doing what you already do, shopping, then check out the link down below. And it's the company is Dosh, the Dosh app. I don't know if you've heard about it, but if you sign up, basically, I think when they first launched it, it was $15. And I think it went down to 10. But the base pay is like $5 minimum, and sometimes it goes up to 15 to 20. You know, you never know. Just depends on what incentives they have at the time. And then once you get someone that's interested in saving money, you just that's what you do. You just introduce it to them, introduce Dosh to them, and then they sign up for Dosh. And let's say that I know the company that I'm aware of is like Dunkin' Donuts, and they have an online base and they have a in-store base. So if let's say you go to Dunkin' Donuts and you swipe or whatever, and it saves you like a percentage, and then you get cash back, and then once you get, I think it's like a $20 minimum to cash out, and then that's pretty much how it works. Like I said, check out the description down below, and the information is there, and I'll definitely see you at the top. Now, the next company I'm here to tell you about is Rebate Me. If you're interested in Rebate Me, all you have to do is click on the link down below, and it will connect you. Rebate Me gives you an automatic $10 just for signing up. And sometimes it's more than that. It just depends on what promotions they have on. And I think it's a $20 cash out. So once you get to 20 or 25, I think it's 20. Once you get to like $20 or whatever, you can cash out. But the next thing is you also have to do some online shopping. My main shopping source is Walmart. So I buy a majority of the stuff that I buy through Rebate Me at Walmart. And like I say, their shipping is like almost like next day. I do most of my shopping between Walmart and Amazon online. So you just think about that. Those are two of the most powerful, richest companies right now when it comes to shopping online. So, hands down, why not? I'm definitely into saving money, even if it's like a 4% cash back or a 10% cash back or whatever the deal is. And I use Rebate Me to do my shopping online through Walmart. So yeah, definitely check it out. And the link is in the description. Click the button down below.
Just remember that the links are down below in the description, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know that every time we post new content about making money online or affiliate marketing or e-commerce or whatever it is, work at home or whatever, that you'll be able to be notified and be one of the first ones to start their own online business. And welcome to our channel. And that, I thank you and see you at the top.
Feel just like a rock star.